Hello. Where are you from, ma'am? Where are you from?
Hong Kong.
Leho.
你好.
Dayho.
Yeah.
In Philippines, magandang
Magandang
umaga.
umaga.
It means good morning.
Oh,
Yeah.
maganda.
Yeah, maganda ka pa sa umaga.
Maganda ka pas
Umaga.
Umaga.
It means you are more beautiful in morning.
Thank you.
Justin Bieber is your
Yeah,
guide, okay?
Justin Bieber guide.
Good photographer, I show you now.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. What's your name again?
Cici, you can call me Cici.
Cici.
Yes.
Sister. Sister, you're my Cici, you're my sister, okay?
Thank you.
Ma'am. So, ma'am, how long you want to stay in our country?
Oh, one week.
1 week.
Yeah.
So this is your first day, second day?
Actually, I remain 1 week. I already stay here for 2 weeks. Yes, I come here for a job.
A job?
Yes.
You're looking for work?
No. I just have a client here, so I will
Ah.
just here for
Sounds like business trip.
yes, my business trip.
And you choose the right place to visit. You choose the right place to visit.
Yes,
Intramuros.
yes,
The oldest city in Manila.
yes.
This one. Since 1571.
Oh,
So ma'am, Justin Bieber is photographer,
yeah,
driver,
yeah,
bodyguard.
yeah. And my security.
Yeah. All you gonna do is sit and relax, okay?
Okay.
Okay. You're beautiful in morning.
Thank you.
He teaching me Hong Kong word.
Yeah.
Leng Lai,
靚女
Leng Loi, handsome.
唔係 handsome man is 靚仔
Len Sai me.
yeah
Leng Loi you.
yeah
Ah.
pronunciation good
Leng Loi,
yeah 靚女
beautiful.
yeah
Leng Sai, handsome.
yeah
Okay, now I know. In Philippines, maganda,
maganda
beautiful.
ooh
Pogi,
Pogi.
me,
I know.
handsome. Pogi, maganda.
Pogi maganda
Yeah. Okay. At yun, pagtapos namin magbiroan, pumasok kami dito sa San Agustin Museum. Ang entrance nga pala dito is 200 ang isa sa adult, 160 for student or children. So ito nga pala yung makikita nyo sa loob, mga ropa. Samahan nyo ako. Let's go. So sa garden pala ng San Agustin Church ay may makikita tayong pagong. Ayan, oh. Uy, lumungoy. Takot. Yun, pumasok na kami dito. Ito nga pala yung sementeryo dito sa loob ng San Agustin. Come on, ma'am. At nandito pala nakalibing si Juan Luna. Ayan nga pala yung original na ceilings. It's look like this before, mama.
oh the original
Yes, that's 16th century.
oh
The ceilings, paintings. Hello, ma'am. Okay, pampauto. Ma'am, flowers for you.
so thank
Yeah, you can smell it. It smells good. It's called kalachuchi.
oh
Yes, you can put
Thank
it.
you.
You can put it in your ear.
yeah
Yeah, you become more beautiful. Additional +1. +1
Thank
beautiful. +1, you're 99% beautiful. Can I ask what you experience in our tour?
so nice professional photographer enters
Good driver,
yes good driver
good photographer,
yes
Justin Bieber. I hope you enjoying it.
yes
Thank you very much.